Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a table view to your Trello board. Now here you can see I'm in my Trello board here. It's called My Ideas. And to quickly add that table view, you want to go ahead and not click the table here from the left hand side under your workspace, because this is going to change the entire view here of your Trello workspace. But you want to add it underneath your Trello board so that you can keep this in one view. So you want to go back to your board, guys, and once you're here on the upper left hand side right next to board, there's a drop down. You want to click on that and simply click on table, and here you can see quickly that I added the table here in this view. Now you can see that I don't literally have to go to the left hand side and click on table and it's going to take me here, but instead I have this view right underneath my board. So you can quickly add these views here and you can switch between them all in one place on your board here, guys. Very easy. So if you're looking for how to add various views, you can always go ahead and click the drop down and you can select whichever views you want to add, and you can have those different views added. You can switch between them. You can even move them around if you so desire as well by simply move them. And that's it, guys. That's how to easily go ahead and add a table view in Trello, guys. Very easy and very simple.